Incremental greetings, this is Guillem Palau, also known as William Palace. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create new concepts and also link different concepts. Just as an example, because there are so many possibilities. So today I came across this item, which is kind of old. I imported this half a year ago. So I want to create a new concept called more or less what Wikipedia is doing. That's the same article into Wikipedia. So you have a category of visual system and it's related, semantically related to optical illusions. So first I will create, we go to concepts, let me add one, and as you see I have a certain style of naming, so a naming convention. So for it will be system.visual. Apply, all apply, okay. So now I have the concept. What I need to do is go back to the item. Okay. So I select the parent because I want all the items or topics to have this concept. So I open the browser, set concept group, and now I select class created. Now you see I have one concept for optical illusions and one for visual system. So what I will try is to set this concept, visual system visual, and link it to this one. So then again I go to the parent, I open the browser because I want all of the elements to have this concept. So process browser, set concept group, now is system visual, here it is, accept, yes, and okay. And now this particular item is also relevant to optical illusion, but I don't want to override the concept, because in SuperMemo you can only have one concept at a time. It's not the same as tags in Anki. So what you need to do is to link other concepts instead of setting. So you click here, this bulb, and then optical, here it is, and accept. Now we have the concept still system.visual, but it's linked to the optical illusion. But you don't see that. This will be useful in the future when I do a neural review, because we are adding semantic links. Now the question is, how can I tell which links these items have? As of today, I don't know if you can do it here right away, but you can do it with the links registry. Now you see that I have this one, the last one. If I go to list, here it is. I have this item which is linked to the concept of optical illusions. This will be meaningful as I'm adding more and more stuff. For instance, now today I imported the list, and I will be processing those incrementally. There's no hurry to make them, and I will most likely, since that's not that high priority now today, I will spend a couple of years to do all of these, because I do it for fun, nothing else. Now today it doesn't seem that useful, but in the future it will, especially when we start with neural queue and so on.